Dear students, here I'm going to share a few points about for upcoming university examination, which is shared by COE and University Chennai. Hope everyone received your hall ticket for the November-December 2021 examination. If you're not having, you can able to view the hall ticket through your student login portal also. The subject mentioned in your hall ticket, that alone you can able to take the exam. If you have taken any other subject which is not mentioned in your hall ticket, you will be that particular subject or examination will be cancelled. You have to ensure whether you have received the correct subject code and the subject name and the regulation of the question paper before commencing to answer. So be clear on that. Also, you are instructed to not leave any pages blank in your answer script. You may be left by later you can able to write, you can write if you thought like that. Kindly, if you're not able to fill or not able to write the particular answer, kindly strike out the empty pages. Don't leave it as empty. And you should write legibly in blue or black ink or ballpoint pen only. Don't use other colors. You have to use either two colors, one black or blue. Then writing the wrong register number or subject code in your answer book, it will reject your answer paper. So be ensure whether you have written the correct register number as well as subject code in your answer booklet. If you give any special mark or writing anything which not relevant to your examination, the entire paper or your subjects will be cancelled. Do remember this. You should not write anything on your answer booklet other than the asked questions, right? Also, everyone should purchase the all required stationery, such as cloth line covers, uh, which helps to dispatch your answer sheets, and graph sheets if it is required, and charts and so on, like an eraser, pencil, whatever, right? Before starting your exam, your chart will be like this. Okay, should be an A4 size, A4 sheet, A4 sheet size. The name is cloth line cover. It looks like in green color. Inside that, you can able to find the some thread lines, right? So you may aware that you used it in the last semester examination, the same pattern, right? Also, you must fill the annexure 1 for your each exam. The annexure 1 sheet, it should be the first page for all the answer scripts. So what are the exams you're going to write? You need to fill the annexure 1 sheet. It should be the first page of your answer script. What are the things you're going to fill it in annexure 1? So these are the data. You're going to write your college code 7112 and college name Jai Shri Ram Engineering College and your register number, name of the candidate, degree BE, branch Computer Science and Engineering, and your corresponding semester, then question paper code, then subject code and subject name, and the date of exam, the session, you're going to mark it either forenoon or afternoon, the number of pages used. So this thing you're going to fill it at the last. So be kindly ensure whether you filled these details or not. The number of pages used in terms of words, also your signature. It must be there. During the last semester examination, the many students have failed to fill these details, right? So these are the first part, the candidate going to fill it. And another thing, In the answer section, part A, part B, and C, you're going to put the tick mark in corresponding place. The questions which are your answer, right? So kindly put the tick mark in the particular column where they mentioned. Don't put the tick mark the column, the marks. Okay, there during the valuation they need to fill the marks. So don't put the tick mark in mark column. So the column the specifically given for the tick mark, the questions which are your answer, there only have to put the tick mark, right? Here you don't write any date or name of the examiner or signature of the examiner. In the second half, for the office use only section, you're going to put the tick mark alone. You no need to write anything here. Okay. The candidate you're going to fill in the first half only. College code, name, register number, name of the candidate, degree, branch, and so on. Clear? Also, you have to write the answer sheet in the A4 size paper in both the sides. Number of sheets is 50 sheets, the maximum 30 pages. You are permittable to write the answer sheet up to 30 pages, which means a maximum 15 sheets, excluding Annexure 1. So without Annexure 1, you can use 15 A4 sheets. Okay, other sheets, it won't be acceptable. You have to use A4 sheet alone to write the exam. You can use both sides to write the exam, right? So while using an A4 sheet, the paper should be in this format. Make the table. Inside the table, you're going to start write your answers. In the top of the page, both the sides in every sheet, right? In all the 30 pages, or how many pages you're going to write, all pages, it should contain your register number in the top, then name, then subject code, hyphen, subject name. Consider this example, register number, name, subject code, and subject name. This should be top of every page of your A4 sheet. In the bottom, you're going to write the date of exam, the page number, and signature of the student. So in the bottom, you're going to fill three datas: date of the exam, page number, and signature of the student, right? So this is the format of answer sheet. So be prepared before commencement of exam, right? So all the 30 pages, how many pages you're going to write the exam for the particular subject? All the pages, it should be like this. In the top, you having a register number, name of the student, subject code, and subject name. In the bottom of the answer sheet, date of the exam, page number, and signature of the student, right? So this should be main thing. And the student should use white thread to tie up the answer script. You have to use a white thread only to tie up your answer script. Like should be like this. So you have to use white thread, which is very uh, as what you use it in internal exams. Okay, the thread should be like this. Don't use some other threads or different colors. You have to use white thread alone, right? So this is the format. As we already discussed, your register number, name of the student, subject code, and the name of the subject shall be written on the top of each page. And the date of exam, page number, signature of the student should be written on the bottom of each page. We have already seen an example. Then after completing your exam, the student, you can scan your answer script and convert it to PDF file. The file name should be the register number hyphen subject code. So what is the file you're going to upload in the platform? The name should be in the form of register number hyphen subject code dot pdf. Example, your register number hyphen subject code dot pdf, right? And cloth line A4 sized cover by pasting the details filled in annexure 2, right? Filled in annexure 2. Your annexure 2 sheet, so it will be like this. Here you're going to fill the details while dispatching your answer script. Annexure 2. Here you have to write down your register number, name of the candidate. Here I already mentioned program name and branch of study, computer science and engineering. Then you're going to write only semester. Per week, if you're having in 2 exams, every Friday you have to send an courier to the principal of our college, right? If you don't have any other exam on that week, you need to submit on the same day of your answer script. We will share the dispatch details when you need to courier your answer script for the particular exam. We'll share it in the media which we already created. Here you have to fill out the question paper code, then subject code, date or session, which means how many answer scripts you're going to send in a single cover. So that detail has to be mentioned here. For example, you're going to send them two exams answer script. Let me show the format. So here we already planned. In the first week, you're having only one exam on 4/2, OOPS exam for second year. So you need to send your answer script on the same day before 4 p.m. We request you to use a professional courier only because the last time we faced many issues while sending through the speed post as well as some other couriers, ST courier and so on, because they didn't deliver on time, right? You people know that. So this time everyone make use of professional courier to reach your answer script on time. Uh, so this is the first week, and the second week also you're having only one exam. In the third week you're having two exams on 14 and 15, like a DPST and communication engineering. So after completing the 14th exam, you're going to upload your soft copy of your answer script. Then you can keep your hard copy with yourself. Then after completing communication engineering exam on 15th February, you need to send an courier in a single cover by 15th evening, right? So these two papers you have to attach, DPST and CE. So these data you're going to mention it in here. What is the question paper code for DPST? And the second serial number, what is the question paper code for communication engineering? Then subject code of that DPST, subject code of CE, then date and session. So these details you have to mention here. So this data also we already filled to address. The from your address is going to mention here. So this is the format you're going to use it to dispatch your answer script. And after dispatching, the details of hard copies, that is the receipt which is given by the courier service, that also you need to scan and you have to attach in the form which is shared in your media, right? I will show you at the last what are the data you have to fill it while uploading the answer script as well as while uploading the dispatch details. The answer scripts of only those students have uploaded as a PDF file within 60 minutes of after completion your exam, right? If exam gets over by 12:30 p.m., you need to upload your answer script before 1:30 p.m. on the same day. Your soft copy PDF file should reach within 1 hour to the COI office. Otherwise, it will be considered as absent, right? Then only it will, if you fail to upload your answer script within 60 minutes, it will be treated as absent. Also, the handwriting should be same in all the pages, right? So don't think we can get help from others or your friends or sister or brother to draw the diagram and all. So the handwriting should be the similar in all the pages. The university will cross-verify your answer scripts during the valuation. If found, your answer script will be considered as malpractice, right? If it is any mismatch in your handwriting, it will be considered as malpractice. So be careful on this. Also, students are not advised to visit the institution to hand over the answer script in person. The only mode you can able to, you're going to send your answer script through courier service. Okay, no one allowed to visit the institution to hand over the answer script. You will receive a link for uploading your answer script and dispatch of your hard copies in the medium which we already created. So through that, you're going to upload your answer script and hard copies of dispatch details. The timings are receipt of the question paper from the college. You may receive from 9 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. if the session is forenoon, and time of examination is 9:30 to 12:30 p.m. Uploading of soft copy 12:30 to 1:30 for the session forenoon. If it is an afternoon, you will receive the question paper from 2 to 2:30 p.m. and the time of examination 2:30 to 5:30. Uploading the soft copy of your answer script 5:30 to 6:30 p.m. If you fail to upload your answer script within this time limit, it will be considered as absent, right? So you have to ensure whether you're having good data connectivity in the particular place to upload the answer script. It may be around more than 7 or 8 MB your each paper, so that you should have an good uploading speed internet connectivity. Then only you can able to upload your answer script on time. Also, you should have a good practice to make scanning, right? And all the best for your exam. The hope everyone will follow the instruction which is given by the university as well as the exam section from JSREC. I will show you a link, what are the forms you're going to use it. So this is the page, the form, you will get it for uploading your answer script. You need to enter your email, the name of the student, it should be in capital letter. Here you're going to type it in capital letter at the initial attain and your register number, then mobile number. And the section 2, you're going to fill the subject details, your regulation, whether it's 17 or 13, then which semester subject you're going to write, then date of exam, then session forenoon or afternoon, and your corresponding subject code, subject name, and question paper code, and how many pages written. So in your hard copy, how many pages you have written, that you have to mention here. So it will be verified with your soft copy, whether you have uploaded the correct sheet or not. The same number of pages only we should receive at the end after sending the courier. All right. Here you're going to upload your answer script. File name should be your register number hyphen subject code. Your register number hyphen subject code in PDF format. It will accept only PDF. Then after that, you're going to declare as per the instruction given by the university, and you're going to acknowledge. So this is for form for uploading your answer script. And the second thing, for uploading your dispatch details, the same email, your name of the student, register number, mobile number, and the subject details, regulation, semester, on date of courier, on which date you're going to send and courier, and what are the subject codes. If you are sending in multiple subjects in a single courier, you should mention all the subjects. For example, like DPST and communication engineering. Here you should mention both the subject codes. Then here you're going to upload your courier receipt. It may be either PDF or JPEG image format. Your receipt, it will be acceptable either PDF or image format, right? If you have further any queries, you can contact the concerned department exam cell coordinator, right? Okay, thank you.